Hey guys, just a quick shout out before we begin today's recipe.
Hey ACPR Level 1, remember, food is an essential part of our lives. So, while you're self-isolating, here is an interesting recipe for you to try. Now I live in Ottawa, and the Ottawa Food Bank is doing an amazing job in making sure that food insecurity is not a thing. So if you can, please help out and donate to the Ottawa Food Bank. Now let's get back to the recipe.
Alright, so it's Easter time, and unfortunately, we may not have the opportunity to spend it with friends and family. But it doesn't mean we can't enjoy a little chocolate. So once again, for one of my favorite people, Mr. Jamie Oliver, I'm going to be putting together for you a chickpea chocolate cake. Oh, that's right, I said it, chickpea chocolate cake, or chocolate chickpea cake. Either way, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is melt the butter, olive oil, and the sugar together. So now that that's done, let's move on to the dry ingredients. I've got my handy dandy sift and a paper towel, and it's wet. I'll be back. Okay, we're good. So we're just going to sift the dry ingredients together because normally this recipe calls for chocolate as in the bar form, but I don't have that. But I do have the chocolate in the powdered form, so that's what I'm using today. So I'm just gonna sift it out onto the paper towel because then it's gonna make it easier to put back into the measuring cup. And then it'll be ready when I need it for the blender. Any little pieces that are lingering just at the bottom of the sift, you can go ahead and just sort of squeeze those through. You just want a nice fine mixture so when you put it into the blender, it incorporates quickly. Cool, now we're gonna add the chickpeas. So we're going to blend these up first. Okay, my blender is not very strong. So we're actually going to start the second part, which is to add the eggs in next. Psych, just kidding. We're putting in the butter mixture first. Then the eggs. Nice. All right, so we're just gonna blend this up, get this nice and smooth, and then start incorporating the eggs, like I said. Nice. All right, so now we're gonna start to incorporate the dry mixture. Add a little bit at a time. All right, so to just finish it off, I'm going to add the rest of the dry ingredients to a bowl, pour everything out, and then finish mixing it in here. Just because my blender is not very strong, so I need a new one. Again, you're just mixing until incorporated, and then you are done. Oh, that is beautiful. All right, so I am going to lightly grease a 12 by 8 dish and then pour in the cake. And by the way, if you haven't preheated your oven at 325 like I told you to do at the beginning of the video, you should do that now. Oh, nice, nice, nice. This goes into the oven at 325 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. finally, the time I've been waiting for, it is time to try it. Moist, and it's got that beautiful syrup on top, a little sweet. You don't taste the chickpeas at all. It's like spongy. It's so good. Wow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. I hope you guys are staying safe, have a great Easter, and I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye!